after of that white rag. These weights are getting heavy. I know what you're thinking, 2 videos in a row. I'm as surprised as you are. I'm getting my wrist weights on today. We're gonna do a clean of the house. I'm gonna try and film a reel and a YouTube at the same time. But it's a Monday. The girls are off to school. Took a shower in the morning, feel fresh and clean. And there are some random areas around the house that I wanna clean and declutter. Starting with this kitchen vent hood. It just feels so grimy, greasy. I don't know if they've ever cleaned it. We certainly have not cleaned it since we moved in here. And I feel like it holds on to all of the smells of anything cooked. Let's go take a closer look. Part of this is grease, this yellowing. Part of this is the fact that it's older. Part of it's that we've painted the cabinets a pure white, but this is definitely very greasy and yellow. And this is the part that I'm like, that has to smell so bad. So we're gonna try to give her a deep clean right now. Unfortunately, to get one thing done, you have to do 2 other steps. So we need to empty the dishwasher, fill the dishwasher, so that we can get that filter out and degrease it in the sink. Did this even run? Oh, okay, so it's still dirty. So we're just gonna fill it up. Awesome, 1 step. We'll take the little wins. I wear gloves every time I do dishes. First of all, I do not like dirty dishes touching my hands, but also I feel like it saves my nails and my hands, especially during this winter season. The color changing spoon takes me right back to childhood. I don't like to use this a ton on my pans. It does say you can use it on cookware, but this is great for getting any kind of stain out of the sink, or if you have like the bottom of your pans are super browned and stained like that. It is new. Look how greasy, you can see it, that's gross. Guys, oh wow, that is so much worse than I was expecting. It feels absolutely disgusting. I can't even turn the camera off now. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. It just smells like hamburgers in here. While that does its thing, we're gonna at least try to clean up this area a little bit without damaging that. I don't have my favorite degreaser that would be really great for this, but I do have Crud Cutter. This is what we're gonna try out here. Oh my, I think we know why it smells in here now. All right, it's a lot less yellow now. Here's the full after of that white rag. is as good as it's gonna get for now. Even clean though, it still feels like... All right, well, that took way longer than I was expecting. Now that we got the kitchen out of the way, we're just gonna run through a little Monday reset. I was doing laundry, but I guess it didn't record the first half of it. Just things that are left over from the weekend. A lot of times I like to try and do as much as I can on a Saturday morning. That's what I grew up doing, and it just feels like I should be up and cleaning on Saturday morning. Or watching cartoons. Both happened. These are the things that got left over from the weekend. So we're just gonna pick up the laundry, pick up the bedrooms upstairs, do some vacuuming. The girls are usually in charge of their room on Saturday. We're just gonna see how much I can get done before everybody gets home from school. Honestly, this was the warmest day, which made it very motivating. Little behind the scenes look at content creation. This is how I make most of my Instagram reels. I've just set my phone up on a tripod over there, and that's all I use to film them. And I edit in Splice or CapCut. Both are apps that you can find in the App Store. My wrists are feeling the workout here. These are just 1 pound wrist weights that you can add on just to make your cleaning a little bit more of a workout. I also have a weighted vest that sometimes I'll throw on. I think the one that I have is 12 pounds. You can go up obviously as high as you want. It just makes something that you already have to do a tiny bit of a workout. Honestly, if I'm doing a whole room like the whole basement or making the bed is usually the hardest part, or laundry, you do feel it a little bit. So if you want to just add simple things into your day like that, maybe you can get a little toned along the way. Those are both on Amazon. I feel like I've been lacking in the home decor department. I either see so many things that I get so overwhelmed by all the things I want to do that I shut down, or I am just don't have any motivation at all. I'm kind of in the unmotivated part right now, but I just took the chair down from this little area. You can see one of them still here under the TV. Now I'm like, what? I used one of them in the living room. I'm like, what should I do with this little space here? It's kind of a weird space. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And if you have any DIY motivation, please send it my way. phone and it says it's 55 outside, so it's almost time to do a spring clean. Our bedroom is all cleaned up, so is our bathroom. I had to stop filming my Instagram reel because they are replacing part of the sidewalk outside. Anyway, it's very loud. I'm gonna come in here and change out Britain's trash. Maybe we'll go clean up in the playroom, but I don't know. If you live in the Midwest, you know there is nothing better than a surprise warm day in the depths of winter. So I am popping all of the windows open. We're getting the fresh air flowing and it feels so nice in house. Ranger Station Oak Moss room spray, so good. Love it. I just need to get the vacuum. Okay, that's all we have time for today. The girls are gonna start getting home here soon. I'm gonna start this edit. It says that the high is gonna be 63 today, which is insane. It's currently 58. That's why I've got all the windows open. The birds are chirping. You would think it's spring, but it's February 3rd. I think that was about an hour and a half, maybe a couple hours of cleaning. It's very hard to gauge the time when I'm filming because it takes me so much time to move things around and set things up. This is a cool angle of this room. It's kind of hard to gauge how much time something takes to film because I feel like I stop a lot and move the cameras a lot, so it's not the actual amount of time spent cleaning, if that makes sense. That was a couple hours of cleaning, but probably like an hour and a half of cleaning. The greasy fan took way more time than I thought it would. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some good motivation out of this cleaning video. I will catch you in the next one. Actually, if you made it this far, leave me a question down below and I will answer like a Q&A in the next voiceover. So I've got something to talk about in the next video. And happy February. We already got 2 videos in this year. Look at us roll. All right, bye guys.